Alright, we have our starting fight right now on the court on both sides. Ready for tip-off. Napansin ko yung pagkalo ni number 1, Eva. Ready? Tip-off. Alright, look some more. Number 7 has the ball. Pass to number 1. 3 points. Miss. Rebound by Oliver Miller. Close to Pala. Pala brings the ball towards the court. Pass to number 0. Pala again. Low post on big man. Cross pass. 0. Jump shot. No good. Rebound. Possession rebound. 20. Dribbling. Air Pala. Crossover. Pushing the board. Turnover. Number 7 dribbling the ball. Oh. Number 5 foul. Foul number 1. 19 seconds left at the shot clock. Number 7. Side ball. Kickman. Again at the top of the key. 45 Solomon. Number 1 Anthony. Goes to the corner. Jump shot, number 7. Oh, almost rebounded, but it's out of bounds. You 24 seconds. Dave here. Pala dribbling the ball. Start. Our disciple. Way to last ball. Dribbling the ball. Pass. Canela. 3 points. No good. Rebound by number 1. Number 13. Armin. Anthony Lana. Foul number 5. Second foul of Adrian Miller, number 5. Watch out, boy. Okay, good shot. Dribbling ball, top of the key. Pala, pass, no, outside, in, out. Again, back to Pala. Push. Free shot for number 3. 3 points, miss. Rebound again. Outside. Inbound, number 5 Miller. Posting. Jump shot. Rebound, number 1. Number 7 has the ball. Pushing on the other side. And a pass, number 1. Reverse. No good. Rebound, number 1. Pushing it out. 98. Number 5 Miller. From left to right and pass. Number 7 pushing the ball on the left side. Left for the ball. Kick and roll. Kick out. Coming inside number 8. Kick at the ball. Backcourt. Almost stealed by Pala, but it was a kicking ball. Kick ball. Turnover. Good defense by Pala. Pala has the ball. Outside, number 0. Thinking what to do. Top of the key for 3 points. 2 points, sorry. Correction, 2 points. For number 1. Number 7, bringing the ball. Going left, inside the board, and a shot. 2 points, number 7. Ridley, almost lost. Number 1 got the ball. Pushed so hard. And he got fouled. Fouled by number 8. 2 shots for number 1. 2 shots. No 2 shots. The referee called it. I know your support. Thank you so much. First shot, left in. Second shot, basket. Number 7, bringing the ball. Pass in the middle, Anthony, pass back. Number 8, lost the ball. Steal by number 0, pushing the court. Number 3, number 1, number 1, Rana, pushing back. Deciding what to do, kick out number 7, pushing and shot. He divided, no, missed 2 times. Driving, kick out, another kick out, or 3 points open shot. Number 98. Marvin grabs, pushing the ball. Waiting for the pass. Pass, number 6, number 1, on the corner. Back to the middle. On the side, 45. 5 seconds shot clock for 1, 3 points. Okay, ball continues. Kamala pushing forward. 3 versus 1. Pumato. Kamala 2 points. Timeout, Luxembourg. Alright, we are back now. After that 2 points of foul, possession Luxembourg. Super press, nakikita namin dito ngayon. Marvin push the ball on the other half of the court. Running to your right, pass underneath. Number 8, blocking foul. Second foul, number 8, 98. Crossover, 3, jump shot, air ball. Air fire is there. Pass again. Number 2, Ryan. Low post, no good. Rebound number 8, pushing the court. 2 versus 2. There was a foul committed. Foul number 20. KOE. 13 foul of KOE. Baseline inbound. Number 6. Saying where to go. Number 1. So Marvin at the ball, number 30. From his left. 3-point fadeaway, no good. Possession KOD. 7 minutes and 25 seconds left. Number 0, right corner. Middle, the ball tries to push in, but no good. Nobody pick up the ball. 4, 3 points for number 98. Number 1 for 3 points. Number 98, going low post, number 1, Brian Dysett, jump shot, good. Number 7, pushing the ball, pass on the left, Lagna, again 3 points, is he ready today? No. The ball is over the board, so it is outside. Oh, it's waiting. No good. Okay, almost a rebound, but we have foul number 6, Luxembourg. Foul Luxembourg, we have 4, 3. In the middle, 3 points, Daniela. 3 points! 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 7, crossover on the right. In the middle, and there was called a foul. Lucky foul number 1. Okay, we have 14 fouls, penalty. 2 shots. Substitution, well, after the free throw goes in. Substitution! Somebody goes out, somebody goes in. Number 24, new player on the court. Mala in the middle, going out for his fault. Number 2, lost ball turnover. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Number 6, dribbling ball over. Now we are in the half court. Number 7, going left, right, pass out for 3 points. Number 11, no good. Rebound, Cole KOD. Dribbling court at 8. Easy layup. Number 98. Yolanda. Number 7. Being harassing by number 2. Going to the middle, kick out on the right corner. 3 points. No good. Yolanda, Hala trying, no. Number 1, almost lost the ball. Ooh, what a pass. No good, only 4. Offensive rebound, number 8, 2 points. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Score 21-10. Number 7 in the middle. Basket. Good layup. Pass. Pushing in the middle. This is not alone. Magandang pass. Number 8. Table 5. Brasil, Benela, 3 points. Hindi po araw-araw. Hindi pumasok. We have number 6 on the rebound, almost steal. We have deflection. Okay, Luxembourg ball, almost steal. Time 3 minutes and 17 seconds. Score 21, KOE 12. He lost the ball, number 7. We are switching now on the right side, on your left side. Substitution referee. Number 1 going out. Rogard, number 7 going in. Alan going out. Set up. Still holding ball. Position number 98. Back to the middle. Driving in. Wow. Ang bilis na matito. Out again. 3, 2, 1. Shot clock. Oh, running before shot clock. Please, players, watch the shot clock. Number 13, Marvin Caldana, gripping the ball in the middle. Deciding what to do. Pass to Anthony Lana. Give the ball number 7 back to Marvin and pushing in. Oh! That was almost. But he committed a foul. Number 8. Foul. 2 shots. We have the substitution referee. Number 6 going in. Going out. 14 fouls. Oh. KOE has it. First free throw. Bottom left. Big left. Martinez. Second free throw. Concentration. Well. Both free throws. Rimless. Very good. Number 2, high man on the side, 3 points, miss, rebound by Solomon. Solomon pushing the court. Marvin to the right side, pass to number 21, Rivera. Solomon, 4, 3, 2, 0. Almost shot clock, but there was a foul given. First shot. Number 9. Openless Ringlas. Second to throw. 21. 15. Last 1 minute. Rebound, Luxembourg. Lalabas ba? Okay, new player. Okay, first basket, 20. Second basket, Solomon. Ang ganda ng triplo na baka ito. New basket. New player in the court. Substitution, referee number 17, AOE, has entered the court. Inbound by Adrian Miller. Pesaico with the ball in the middle. Dribbling. Pass on the right corner. Design, going down. Number 7, open for 3. He thought about it. No. Miller in the middle. Kick out. 3 points. Number 0. 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay. 17 push 2. Okay. Hold on. We have technical issues. Last 5 seconds. We will add 2 seconds. Just hold on. I stopped with number 5 seconds. Okay, we're good. Last basket. 1 free throw left. Take a basket. Okay. So 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Check. Yeah. Now we have Kings of Europe 24, Luxembourg 19. 5 minutes break. Alright, we are back. It's game ball for the second half. 15 minutes, score 24 for white and 19 for black. Hahabol yung mga yan. Inbound, Adrian Miller to Bala. Bala dribbling the ball. Left side, 0. On the 98, 15 seconds left. Bala driving in, jump shot on the corner. Miss. You, 14. Nice pass by Adrian Miller to number 1. 2 points. 26-19. Number 7, Solomon bringing the ball to Marvin. Back to number 7. Kick pass to number 1, Anthony for 3 points. Almost got it, but offensive rebound by Solomon. Ooh! Nice hustle by Gabriel Solomon. 2 points. Bala dribbling the ball, going to the right corner, back to the middle. Kick pass on the left side, high post, Adrian Miller. He decides to shot. No score. Oh! There was a foul committed. Foul, pushing foul number 1. We are changing the side now. Number 1 has already 2 fouls. Ingat po tayo. Number 7, pass to Marvin. Marvin number 14. Kick pass to number 6. Kick out number 8. Side corner. On the wing, in the middle, number 7, 8, 7, 6, 5. Corner, 3 points. 3 points, number 2. Number 8 on the wing. Back to number 7. back to number 7 on the wing. Left wing. High post. Yes, there was a foul committed. Number 0-0, first foul to number 8. He had side ball, inbound, baseline. First foul. Anthony, Solo, big pass, middle decided. Turnover, Kisako, Tubaco, back to Mala, great, number 1, number 6, pushing the ball, right wing, to skip pass to the left, middle key, right wing, number 7, pushing the ball, and Pinasa sa left side, decided to shoot, no, Mayroon 7, 6, 5, almost a steal, but deflected. We are going back. Reset shot clock. Wait, referee, reset shot clock. No, team shots. Yowel, you 24 seconds. We are going back to Luxembourg ball. Back to number 1, 13, open for 3 points. Oh, almost made it. Rebound, Adrian Miller. Easy. Palat, crossover on the left. It's the bottom goal. 2 points. We have to score 35-21. 10 minutes and 50 seconds. Solomon deciding to pass. In dribble, he has the left. High post, ooh, nice passing by Luxembourg. Shot no good. Palat again, we are pushing again from the left side. Pinasa number 8. Wow! Yudela, 2 points. Pinawala ang reverse. Para Luxembourg.
And the move.
37, Kings of Europe, 21, Luxembourg. Kings of Europe has already 2 team fouls. Luxembourg 0. Start. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Game ball. Possession, Luxembourg. Someone inbound to number 7. Don't get now. Dribbling, ball, right corner. Backdoor pass, number 1. Wow. Fast break to number 0. Shot 2. 39-21. Remaining time 10 minutes and 10 seconds. 3-point shot. Medina, no good. Rebound by number 1. Adrian Miller, skip pass. 98. Left corner. 0-0 for 3. No good. Rebounded by number 1. Anthony Laka. Number 7 pass behind the back. Pinasa niya. Backdoor pass. And there was a foul. Shooting foul. Number 1. Holding. 2 free throws. Substitution. Number 1. 3 fouls. 2 team fouls. 3 team fouls. 3 team fouls. KOE. Luxembourg, no team foul. First in. Substitution if it goes in. First free throw miss. Substitution. Para ulit ang kasama. by Adrian Miller. 40 seconds again. Palat, right move. Well, move cross over. 6. Substitution. Inbound, Adrian Miller. Adrian Miller. Take the right corner. Jump shot. No good. Wow, rebound. 98 on the ball in the right corner. Ooh. What about it? But 3 points. No good. Ooh, what a hassle. Number 7, rebound again. Open 3. Reggie.
Sorry.
The ball. Luxembourg. Correct. Inbound. Solo. Back to Schmidt. High post Anthony. Solo again. Right corner. Right wing Solomon. We have skip pass on the left corner. Posting. Anthony Lana. Pass to the middle. Jump shot. Good. Beautiful shot by Solomon. Feed away 2 points. 39-24. Wow, what an inside pass, backdoor. Adrian Miller, crossover. There was a foul. Number 1, 2 shots. Number 1 has. There's no number 1 here. Wait. Anthony, number 1, foul. Okay. Anthony, foul. First team foul. First free throw goes in. Basket. 24. Second basket goes in. 25. 24-41. Last 7 minutes and 50 seconds. Solomon. Jump shot, fade away again. Palat, pushing the court. Skip on the right side, quick, back to the middle. Adrian Miller, wow, what a move. Hesitation, shot, no good. Jump shot, rebound again. Second basket, no good. Rebound by Anthony. Solomon pushing the court. Harassing by Palat. Got through. Oh, we have a foul. Number 9. 98. Number 98. 14 fouls. Wait, 14 fouls? Brazil, inbound. Shot, fade away, no good. Rebound, Palat, let's go. Palat pushing the court. He goes to the right side, layup. Boom. 43-24. 6 minutes and 40 seconds left. 15. Number 13, Marvin, back to high post. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Cycle, number 2, with the Batana, back to Palat. Palat, high post, Adrian Miller, going to the right side. Spin move, jump shot, good. 2 points, Adrian Miller. Score 45-24. Last 6 minutes. Marvin Zadana, bringing the ball. One of my crossover pass to left corner, number 6, 3 points. No good. Rebound. There was a foul committed by number 1. Second foul by number 1. 2 fouls. Rolling the ball. 24 seconds starts now. Palat bringing the ball. Behind the back. Pass on the left side. Back to Palad. Palad goes high post. Deflected. Good defense. Psycho, left corner, back to Adrian Miller. Ooh, what a backdoor pass, but no good. Anthony Miller, Anthony rebound. Solo pass to Saldana. Ooh, Rice on the right side. Pinilla, wala. Rebound, Adrian Miller. Umahang pass. He's being harassed. Everybody wants the ball. Substitution referee. Number 8, 3 fouls. So, 3 fouls. Ingat po tayo. Number 7, foul. Baseline. Oh, deflected. There was almost a steal. Nice hustle by number 7, Solomon.
Ryan.
Pulutin yung agad yung bola. Naubos yung oras natin. Palad, pushing. Nawala yung bola. Marvin, pinupush on the right side behind the back. Pass on the middle, number 7, Solomon. Again, nice pass. Pinilla, wala. Psycho, rebound. Pass to right side. Right wing, back to Psycho. Adrian Miller has the ball. Kalma lang naman ito. Stopping time, we are on stopping time now. 2 minutes and 54 seconds. Substitution. Substitution. Basket. Yeah. Who goes out? Number 3, new player, number 24, De Vera. 2 free throws. Shot. Good. Rivers, Jonella. Okay, second shot. Miss. Kicking. Substitution referee. New players on the court. We are on stopping time. Iron Man. For 24. Oh, what a steal by number 17. KOE back to Iron Man. Iron Man back to Palad. Palad. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Psycho back to Palad. Mukhang inuubos ang oras. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 5. What a leaders. 3 points, money. Wow! There we go. We are now waking up. Looking for 3 points. At the pass, Palad. The steal number 7. 1 more 3 points. No good. But rebound by Solomon. Back to 24, De Vera. Solomon for 3 points. Wow! We are fighting, guys. All right. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Psycho being harassed. Almost steal. Wow! Let's go, folks. Let's score. He's coming back. Substitution. Ramos. Palma lang daw. Dribble the ball. Estremos, number 8 in the middle. Team harassed by number 7 and number 13. Pasa. Oh! Good defense. Traveling. Turnover. KOE. 1 minute and 26 seconds. Three-point Anthony. No good. Rebound KOE. Number 8. Dribbling the ball. Inuubos ang oras. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Foul. Number 8. Number 8 ba yun? Number 13, foul. 2 free throws. One minute and 12 seconds. 48-30. First visual missed. Second chance. He missed both. Rebound, Solomon. Kick pass on the left side by Solomon, his brother. Oh, behind the back. And jump shot. Wow! Number 7. Luxembourg are pushing. Last 1 minute. Psycho, dirty ball. Jump shot, Psycho. No good. Rebound. Loose ball. Number 24. Back to Anthony. Anthony dribbling the ball. He decided to pass. Number 7, Solomon. 2 shots. Good. 35 seconds. You gotta do something. Foul. Good foul. Good foul po yan. Number 24. Substitution foul number 24. 2 free throws. Good foul. Substitution. Last 32 seconds. 48-34. First free throw, Sinibrato. 1 basket. Number 22, Ironman from Spain. Second basket, Martinez. Solomon, after Martin Padana, nice pass underneath, tap, and there was a foul committed. 26 seconds left. 50-34. 2 shots. First basket. Good. Second basket, no good. Rebound. Trying to harass. Harass. Oh, foul. Dahan-dahan lang po tayo. Kalma lang po, kalma. Technical foul. Number 8. Estremos. 2 shots. Number 8, yes. Number 8, 1 technical foul. 1 shot. Down there, we'll be on the super fight. We are here to have fun and make new friends, not enemies. 2 free throws. Remos, number 8.
24 seconds left.
Second shot. Bootleg. So long, pushing the ball. 21 seconds left. Crossover to the left. The middle backer pass to the top. Marvin. Nice, 2 points. 14 seconds left. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Thank you so much. Final score, 52-38. KOE are new champions for the first Knights of the Court edition. Thank you so much. Please, every participant, stay on the court. We will be proceeding on the awarding. Good game.